you feel if you could sit on your front porch and let your kids run freely? Play football, baseball, soccer, all in your front yard. And how would you feel if you had 3,700 square feet of workshop space to retreat to and build, fix, or create anything you want? And just imagine having an additional 10 acres to raise and grow your own food, or let your kids ride dirt bikes and ATVs. The possibilities are endless. All that and more is possible here at 2789 Cane Creek Road. So if you're a bit like me and you love space and privacy, then come with me and let's take a closer look. Let's start with the bird's eye view. This property stretches for nearly 30 acres, the front half of which is completely fenced and is bordered by various fruit trees. The back half of the property contains a large pond with tons of room for your animals to graze and plenty of sun-kissed land to grow all of your fruits and veggies. As we move into the ginormous workshop that boasts 3,785 square feet, you'll be taken into man cave heaven, where you can store and work on all your toys and projects. And you will also have a 25 by 11 heated and cooled office space inside the workshop, where you can retreat to when it gets too hot or too cold and watch the game or set up a card table for a friendly game of poker. And before we head inside, we can take a quick peek at this 73 by 64 foot pole barn, perfect for parking and storing your tractors and other large farm equipment. And if that wasn't enough, let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at the main house that boasts a split floor plan, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and over 2,800 square feet. Just imagine the peace and serenity you could experience by living out here. And just imagine the possibilities of having your own 3,700 square foot workshop. And just picture the fun your kids would have on their very own full-length football or soccer field, or taking batting practice in the front yard without having to worry about the neighbor's windows. And that's just on the front half of this amazing 30-acre property. Now, if you're interested in changing your future, set up a showing today so that you can have your dreams of living the country life come true.